Hello, hi everyone. Okay, as we were discussing that we are going to have crash course on engineering mathematics for GATE. So let us start our today's first topic. As you know, what is the first topic that we are going to take up? Yes, very good. That is numerical methods. Okay, come on. So here you have number of methods according to your syllabus. It's like first they have framed bisection method, regular falsy method, and they have gone like that way. But if you go that way, what will happen? You will be focusing less on the topics whichever are very important. So when we just talk of about numerical methods, in this also there are two methods which are very important. First one is Newton-Raphson method. Okay, you can just see previous years papers, most of the times bits have been asked on Newton-Raphson method. Okay, after that we have got numerical integration. Okay, you have got numerical integration. This is very important. If you won't get bit from Newton-Raphson, then there is a chance that it will get from numerical integration. Along with that, in this crash course itself we are going to see different methods such as Newton bisection method. From here you can follow whatever the sequence you want, but as of now you just follow first two sequences, what is Newton-Raphson method and numerical integration, then go for Newton bisection method or whatever you want, whether you wanted to go for method of false position, whatever it may be. Just let me write what are the complete methods available. So method of false position, then you have RK first order method, that thing we can also call it as Euler's method. Then next one is RK2 method, this thing we also call it as improved Euler's Cauchy method. Okay, then you have another method, that is RK4 method, Rangegutta fourth order method. So these things you have to study. Then you have secant method also, but that is the continuation of method of false position. I will be taking that area here itself. Okay, so these are the important topics, but these two are the very important topics. So let's start our lecture series with Newton-Raphson method. So let's get started. Newton-Raphson method. Okay, so what do we have in Newton-Raphson method? We can write as x1 is equal to, this is the formula. So since this is crash course, I am not going to tell you entire theory whichever is behind NR method, because you may or you may not get theoretical bit. Most of the times whichever have been asked, that thing I am going to cover in this course. As I have said initially, I have promised you that if you follow this lecture series thoroughly, then you can score above 8 marks easily out of 13 for GATE engineering mathematics lecture series. Okay, so for NR method, what is the formula? X1 is equal to, if you want to find the next root, then you have to, what you have to do, previous root minus, take this bracket, f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. This is the thing you have to do. That means you have to substitute the x naught value in the given function, and you have to substitute the x naught value in the differentiation of this function. Okay, hope you are getting this. So initial root minus function of initial root by differentiation function of initial root. Hope you are getting. Then I can write x2 is equal to what? You might have understood till now. X minus 1 into f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So hope you are getting this right. So if I want iterative steps for Newton-Raphson method, that is, if I want to write xn plus 1, each time there is minus 1 is getting deducted. So I can write xn plus 1 as xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Okay, hope you are getting. So this formula we can call it as iterative steps formula of Newton-Raphson method, but you have to remember